Since 2021, the Central Bank of China has begun to arrange significant activities in the field of green finance. Namely, further allocate more resource to the financial sector green projects, provide comprehensive support to carbon markets across the country in green finance and launch pilot green transformation in real estate investment and financing. This marks China's entry into an era of carbon-neutral development in the global competition for a green economy. On July 4, 2022, the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, China Council, and the International Cooperation Center of National Development and Reform Commission jointly launched Sustainable Development of China Industrial Action, focusing on green growth and the digital economy, the development of sustainable models to explore an effective path of green recovery and economic growth. Continuous COVID-19 outbreaks, as well as emerging environmental and social issues, need to be solved urgently in order to put back the economy on track while defeating the epidemics. China has been increasingly focusing on the green economy and is committed to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. In order to promote the construction of a sustainable economic system of green and low carbon, the 14th Five-Year Plan proposed to reduce carbon intensity, support pilot cities to take the lead, and formulate a plan of action to peak carbon emissions. China is aiming to achieve a peak in carbon emissions by 2030. At the same time, green development needs financial support, according to data from Wind. By the end of 2021, China's cumulative issuance of green bonds ranks second in the world, with $199.2 billion ahead of other major markets, with an increase rate of 186% from the previous year. Nearly 90% of the funds raised in 2021 went to renewable energy, low-carbon transport and construction. Along with carrying on building National Green Financial Reform Pilot Zone, the financial departments of the pilot areas in China have made great efforts to provide financial support for green finance through the expansion of financial incentives, subsidies and tax relief. The types of green bonds in the green finance pilot areas have been constantly enriched, covering corporate bonds, financial bonds, government bonds and medium-term notes. The green equity market is active and the form of financing is constantly improving. The overall scale of ESG and green finance is expected to exceed 20 trillion yuan in 2022. There are currently 9 pilot carbon markets in China. As one of China's first carbon emission permit trading pilot markets, Beijing is working to build China's first international green financial center. Recently, the Beijing Environment Exchange is trying to transform into the country's first green asset exchange.